Hello dear friends, I am Dr. Shafat Raza and today I will practically teach you how to select a research topic, a research question for your research projects, for your research articles, for your research protocols and synopsis. Uh, Whenever we indulge into this topic of research writing and we face the problem of submission of our research protocols, synopsis, or even research articles, we the first thing we always struggle, especially those who are new into this field of research, are in the undergraduate and postgraduate medical students. The problem is that they never been guided how to select a topic, where to select a topic, and what to do. Most of the time they are confused in this first step of research topic selection, due to which they run here and there, they run after their supervisors, seniors, and unfortunately most of the times they don't get help. So this video I have made to make it clear, to make it somewhat easier for you to select a topic on your own and then follow the steps of gathering data, writing, and everything. So, first thing first is that in my few previous videos that I have made on the PICO question and how to select a research topic. These videos are available on my channel, in which I have briefly given the theme, I have given the structure of the research topic, how to select, what is the standard method of selection of those topics, first videos to make a clear understanding. Then in the second part you can see this video in which I am going to tell you the practically how to construct a research topic and what are the elements of a research topic. So we will work on the concept of a PICO question. Yes, what is PICO? Now we'll see. So this is a simple Microsoft Word document and I have made a temporary document just to make you guys learn. So this is PICO. Just follow my arrow, and this is a PICO. For P stands for problem, patients, or population. Now this P means first thing you need to select is the problem. What is your problem? What disease? Your clinical problem. What medical problem you are going to research on? It can be a patient's. P stands for problem. P stands for patients. It could be a patient's. Which patients? If you want to do a research in a medical science, you must. I'm talking of the human research. I'm talking the people involved in the clinical sciences and dealing with the patients. Obviously, when you wish to do a research, there must be some kind of patients on which you wish to do a research. So, which patients? Or it could be a population. Here, population does not mean the common population of a country. Population means which disease population, which patient population. The population of patients with a certain problem. For example, diabetes mellitus. All the people living in a country with diabetes, or the population of diabetes. Diabetes can be patients. Yes, you want to research on patients with diabetes, and diabetes would itself be a problem. So the P here denotes to the problem, patients, and population. Diabetes can be a problem. You can choose it as a problem. You can choose obviously as a patients with diabetes, and the population of patients with diabetes. So this is the concept of P. The first thing that you need to select for your research topic is this P. What is your P? Second thing, I'm coming on to this I. In the PICO question, we have this I. So what does this I mean? I means intervention. I is for intervention, and intervention could be a treatment option, a drug therapy, or it could be a diagnostic tool, it could be a prognostic tool, whatever. It means any intervention. Please bring an intervention in your research topic to make it attractive, to make it product, make it good. That intervention could be, you would be testing a new drug, be comparing the two drugs, you'd be utilizing a drug to see its results, or it could be a diagnostic tool, efficacy of a diagnostic tool, sensitivity of a diagnostic tool. So this I means there's an intervention. So second thing you need to select for your research topic is to bring an intervention. Now, third thing. Third in this PICO is a C. So, what is a C? Here I have drawn. So, C stands for comparison or a control group. Whenever you are doing research, you have selected your P, that means your problem, your patients or population. You have selected an intervention. Now, please bring a comparison group, a control of the group. Mostly you would have seen case control studies, cohort studies, even you'd have many research clinical trials in which there are the control groups. So bringing a comparison or control group would make the yield of your research very good. It will make it research of high quality. So a comparison could be a group of patients. It could be a group of normal people. It could be, if you are testing a drug, it could be another drug. You're comparing the effects of two hypertensive drugs in comparison to each other. You are going to compare the efficacy of one type of the insulin with another type of the insulin. So this is how it will make the evidence of your research stronger. You can do the research without even a comparison or control group. It is not necessary, but this comparison or control is not always necessary, but try to bring some sort of comparison or control group in form of a group of the. So now the O. O is always the outcome of a certain research topic. Whenever you do a research, there must be an outcome or result of the topic. Obviously, you are carrying some sort of research to reach to an outcome, to reach to a particular conclusion point, to give your results. So every research has a result. For example, it could be you are looking for a cure of the disease. You are looking for the control of a disease with a particular treatment. You are looking at the sensitivity of a particular test, and in the results, what do you found in the results after that particular research. So outcome is a result of your research. So now I hope that you must have understood the concept of this PICO and how to apply this PICO. But what is different in this video? I have already created a video on PICO and I have given the details of this PICO. But this video I am going to tell you with an example how to apply this PICO to your research topic selection. So here, the same slide. Now look at these two research topics. I have made these two research topics our title of research project. It could be your research article, it could be your topic of synopsis, research protocol, or it could be an topic of clinical trial. So I have given two research topics I have made by following this PICO concept. See in the first I will discuss. This is the same topic. This is the same topic. I have arranged it in two different ways. The same topic. Now let's focus on this first topic. See, it says that prognostic role of hyponatremia in patients with left heart failure. Now this tells that I am going to see the effect of hyponatremia, low serum sodium in patients with left heart failure. But why I am seeing this? First of all, see this heart failure, left heart failure. Left heart failure is my problem. I am doing a research on some aspect of this left heart failure. Left heart failure is my P. From the PICO, this left heart failure is P. Left heart failure patients. Left heart failure is my population. And the problem is also left heart failure. So first thing is P. By the way, the arrangement of PICO does not mean you need to mention the P first, I on the second, C on third, and O in the fourth. That is just to make you guys understand that these four concepts should be incorporated in your research topic. So arrangement can be different. So here I have my P at the very last of this topic. So this left heart failure is the P. I have selected my patients. I have selected my problem. Now I means intervention. What is the intervention in this topic? This hyponatremia is an intervention. because this hyponatremia, how you will get this hyponatremia in the patients? Obviously, you will do the serum electrolytes, and there you will see the low serum sodium. So any particular diagnostic tool, any laboratory test, and any drug you are using in your research topic is your intervention. So here the hyponatremia is one of my interventions, in which I will see through a lab report how many of these patients have hyponatremia. So our P was left heart failure. Now our intervention is hyponatremia. So where now we will go to the C. C means comparison, our control group. But here you can see that in this title there is no comparison group. I have not written any comparison group here. But there is a C in this title. There is a control comparison group in this title. How? Though I said that C is not necessary all the time, but in this there is a C. How is C? Look at this hyponatremia. If I'm looking at the patients of left heart failure with hyponatremia, obviously there will be patients in which there is no hyponatremia. There will be patients with normal serum sodium. But before the C, let's come to our O. What is our O? O is the outcome. What do I want to see in this title? I want to see the prognostic role. Now what is this prognostic role? Heart failure, in the patients with heart failure, there's a too much discussion and research and studies on the prognosis. So this my prognostic role, prognosis is the outcome. I want to see the prognosis of these patients with left heart failure. So this prognosis, my O, but prognostic role of what? Prognostic role of our intervention, hyponatremia. So I want to see the prognostic role of hyponatremia in these patients with left heart failure. Now come to the C. When I'm saying that I want to see the prognostic role of hyponatremia in these patients, so how I would reach a conclusion this hyponatremia has got a role in the prognosis of these patients. Yes, I will compare the results with those with normal serum sodium. So it is not written here, but obviously in my results and my conclusion, I will describe it in comparison with those with normal serum sodium. So there is a comparison group present in this study. So the same topic, same title I have written differently, now bringing it in a different statement. Just go through it. It says the outcome of left heart failure patients with hyponatremia as compared to normonatremia. Now look at this second statement, in which again I have this left heart failure as my P. Left heart failure patients. This is my P. And where is my I? Here is hyponatremia. This hyponatremia again is my I, intervention. And where is this comparison group? Yeah, I am comparing this hyponatremia as compared to a normonatremia. I am comparing it with those with normal serum sodium. This is my C. And where is O? O is outcome. I am looking at the outcome. Here I just mentioned the word outcome. I want to see the outcome of these left heart failure patients with hyponatremia in comparison to those with normonatremia. So in my results, in my discussion, my conclusion, I will discuss that what I found in these patients who had hyponatremia in comparison to the same group of patients with normal serum sodium. I hope that I have made it clear now that how to apply this PICO and how to apply each of its components. The same title, the same topic, but the different statement, but all the components of this PICO are meeting. I hope that you must have learned the application of PICO, the research topic selection. However, it's not going to be that easy. You're not going to select a topic within a period of just 15 minutes. Obviously, you go through your literature review, go through somewhat study of your problem. What are the hot topics currently being studied? Are the topics which are not have yet been covered? But this is the way you come up with setting of your research topic selection. I hope that you must have learned some good things in this video. Hopefully I'll come with a new video very soon. If you have any query, any problem related in your medical research, you can contact with us. Thank you.